dashboard. Once you log in into the dashboard, it will give you a low stock alert, and in with time it continues giving you different kinds of updates about the uh, condition of the store inventory and others. When it comes to sales, so for a sale, we can see that we can add products from here. All the products can be done through picture, or we can scan barcodes over here. So it has an inbuilt scanner on it. So to use the scanner, there is a dedicated button which scans it and it adds into this. And once you add all the details, you can go to pay now. So here are different kinds of payments modes, just like cash. The device is also capable of taking credit payments and UPI. So for the UPI, it gives a dynamic UPI where the payments can be made. If I'm going through cash, and if I'm putting some amount, so the return change amount is also showing. So we can do complete order. So once the order is done, here are options to print, show QR. So by showing the QR, the customer can get the e-copy of the bill, and you can also share the details from here. So if I give print, so it comes into print, and the print is being generated through the 2-inch inbuilt printer inside it. When it comes to inventory, so you can see you can create different kinds of categories, subcategories. From here you can add items, you can add suppliers over here. And then when it comes to discount, you can add discounts by discount name, percentage, or amount. You can give discount value, start date, expiry date, and you can select the discount type, like in product wise or category wise over here. Next, if there is any returns, you can call it through the bill number, and you can do returns of that particular bill. And when it comes to order history, you can see all the types of transaction into it. The device is well capable of handling both the transactions, like sales, returns, transaction. Then payment wise, you can choose over here. And over here there is an also a filter of in store, means the offline bill and the online bill, that is integrated into it. Now when it comes to supplier details, you can create your own suppliers and can track the items delivered by the suppliers through the supplier ID over here. And regarding customers, you can see what is the customer's current condition, its credit phase, and the balance of the credit that has been given by the store. Okay, so that's all into this small device. Yeah, you can also make different kinds of settings and all from here. So that's a small demo about our product.